Hey, this is Gary with Jolly Dolly, and I'm going to show you the basic operation of a Power Plus motorized dolly. So this is your on-off switch. Pull to turn on, push to turn off. You can also turn clockwise to turn on. Here's your gear selector. In the middle is neutral, and then forward and reverse. This is your thumb throttle, which controls your speed. You need to get used to the feel of this when you're first starting out with the dolly before you try reversing. What happens a lot of times, people will have it neutral, they're pressing this, nothing's happening, they hit it in reverse, slam down on here, and it hits them and hurts them. But incidentally, that's why the button is here, so that if it does come back on you, hopefully it will hit you right in the belly and shut it off so it doesn't keep coming. You know the dolly's on when the battery status indicator down here is lit up. This will show you your voltage and your percent that the batteries are charged. To load an inflatable on the dolly, just lift it up, push it back, put the dolly in forward, put your foot right here and give it a little throttle as you pull back. And off you go. For bigger inflatables that don't want to stay on the dolly, you can use these strap hooks and a ratchet strap to strap the inflatable to the dolly. So this is your charger. You can plug it into the wall, or if you plug it into an extension cord, I recommend one with a lighted end, just so you're sure that there's power coming to it. You should have the red light on, indicating that it's got AC power. If it's not, just make sure the switch is on and all these wires are connected. Here's your charge port on the dolly. It's got a cover that swivels out the way. You plug the charger up, just rotate this plug until you find where it goes in. And when you do that, the green light should change to orange, indicating that it is charging. Once you do this, you don't want to interrupt the charge cycle. You want to let it charge fully until that light changes back to green, and then verify on your meter that you have 100%. And always turn the dolly off when you're not using it, especially when you're charging it. The charger has a float mode, so once the light is turned green, you can leave it plugged up to the dolly indefinitely. It will maintain the batteries at 100% without overcharging them. You want to make sure to keep this chain clean, and about once a month, lubricate it with some white lithium grease. It doesn't take a lot. Just throttle up, a couple sprays, and you're done. You also need to lubricate right here on your swivel casters. If you have any problems with the dolly, be sure to see our other video where we show you the basic troubleshooting procedures. The motorized dollies come with a 1-year warranty, so anything that breaks, we'll send you the parts and a link to a video to show you how to change them out.